You know, I've been thinking about it. I'm not quite sure if I'm ready to accept an apology.
Where is my wife?
Patricia doesn't want to speak to you. And frankly, neither do I.
I will find you.
Okay. Well, I'll put some coffee on then. I'll see you soon.
Oh, Martin hat auf einmal angegriffen, weil ich gerade auf dem Weg war zu einer Fremde- und Freaks-Mission. Und er war natürlich nicht wirklich begeistert, dass wir seine Frau entführt haben. Oh Mann, Trevor reitet uns richtig rein, die Scheiße immer wieder. Aber ich finde seine Mission trotzdem immer noch am geilsten. Aber wahrscheinlich nur, weil da am meisten Bonbon und so ist. So, was ist hier los? Was ist das für ein geiler Heim?
Smell any funny spices?
Я ничего не вижу, босс. Эй, придави документы.
What?
Паспорт давай, ебарь, мам.
I don't fucking understand you.
А, да ты по-английски не шаришь. Что за хуйня с тобой? Я говорю, паспорт покажи. Все вы нелегалы как один. Ты по гражданским арестам, ты понял?
What the fuck?
Америка — страна возможностей, а я воспользуюсь возможностью послать тебя обратно через границу, откуда ты приперся.
What?
Very good, Joseph. Real fine. We'll make a civilian protector of our nation's borders from undesirable elements of you yet. Sorry, citizen, just a training exercise.
Ah, okay. Well, I'm so glad that you patriots are out here defending this fine American desert sand.
Well, thank you.
When you could be in town fucking some girls and further destroying the gene pool.
Hey, there's a real problem here.
Да, люди, мотивированные необходимостью прокормить свои семьи, едут сюда работать по-черному за копейки и прут в эту страну.
It's a disaster! And that's why we formed the Civil Border Patrol.
Oh! Holy crap, was war das gerade für ein Gruß?
My Patriot meter's going off. Oh.
Hä? Jetzt verwirrt.
Come on, both of you. We've got some illegals over them hills.
Ah,
Come on, you drive.
обожаю
You drive,
эту
let's
страну.
go. Drive.
Wir haben ein paar Illegale, alles klar.
Королеву.
Meshkinachen.
What's your name, citizen? I'm Joe, that there's Joseph. Trevor. Okay,
Ich würde gerne wissen, wer Joseph ist, wo kommt der her, was ist das für eine Sprache?
Oh, good. They love me in there.
I'm definitely getting a strong reading. The Patriot meter predicts undesirables with up to 79% accuracy.
Surely this is a sick joke. I mean, I love hanging with freaks, but you two losers cannot be for real.
Unfortunately, this is as real as it gets. These people are criminals who threaten our way of life and drive down our property prices.
Они думают, что могут приехать сюда в поисках лучшей жизни для себя и своей семьи. Это противоречит Конституции.
Come one, come all, I say. This country's got bigger problems to deal with.
Well, that's because you've been brainwashed by the secular media. Don't you worry, though. We'll convert you. My brother showed some, well, let's just call it sexual weakness in his younger days. But now he's a happily married man with 3 children, and he rarely acts out. Hey, if you do well in your civil border patrol trial, we will, of course, pay you for your time. Last time I looked, this was still a service-driven market economy.
This I have to see.
Oh Mann. Ey, die Freaks sind schon wirklich crazy Freaks. Und nicht bloß manchmal so ein bisschen, sondern die sind allesamt komplett crazy.
Hey, you're banned.
Ja, schon klar, Mann.
Anyone not banned?
Don't you cause no trouble now.
Oh, this is pointless. Everyone in here has done something illegal.
Hey, Trevor, get out here now! They're in that car, let's go! Get in, we're gonna lose.
Hinterher, oder wie? Junge, bist durch.
Don't worry, they'll sponge some free healthcare.
Das Auto der Band.
Let's bring him in, boys. Here, take the stun gun.
Really?
Nobody needs to die here. We're civilized people. Hey, you, stop the vehicle. This is a citizen's arrest. Well, of course they wouldn't understand me. Now, would they, Joseph?
Они отказываются ассимилироваться.
Hold on to your pointed hats. We're taking the scenic route.
They're a law unto themselves. Hey, I ain't being zealous about this. America is for Americans, and that's why they call it, yeah, you know, America.
Yeah, apart from young Joseph here.
А я единственный, кто думает, что этот идиот звучит как канадец.
Yeah, that's right, what he said. At least
Bam!
Joseph here wants to be Americanized. You don't see him dressed up like some little sissy bullfighter now, do you? No!
You might want to tell him not to salute with a straight arm. Sounds like they're having a lot more fun in their car.
Well, look at them, drunk out of their mind on Uncle Sam's dime.
Перенаселение страны, осквернение коренного населения. Это не по-американски.
Haben wir es jetzt, oder? Bam!
Driving like a foreigner. Go subdue those illegals, Trevor. I want
Mariachi! Elektroschocker.
you to handle that stun gun.
Bzz.
Don't apologize to them.
Haha.
They're the ones breaking the law here.
Die Stun-Guns sind echt lustig. Freut mir am Online. Gut, Mariachi, weil
Trevor, respectful
D2-Typis sind der Meinung, dass die Mariachis irgendwie illegal sind.
vehicle.
Okay.
Had your fun. It's time to go home. Well, thanks for the help, citizen. America's a little bit safer because of you.
Well, die Mission hat mich heftig verwirrt. Aber wir haben das Stun-Gun gekriegt. Das könnte natürlich auch vielleicht mir nur nützlich werden. Eigentlich braucht man sich gar nicht mal wundern bei den Freaks. So, jetzt gehen wir wieder zu den FIB-Leuten, die mir mit Abstand am unsympathischsten sind. Vor allem dieser Anführer, von dem wieder immer der Horst Steve vielleicht oder so. Wir haben geile Mucke dabei. Hey. Ja, wie kämen wir wieder aus dieser Nummer raus mit dem FIB? Stimmt, die sind ja vorbeigekommen und haben nachgefragt bei Ron. Und jetzt sind die bei uns im Meth-Labor, Alter. Also, eieiei. Erst mit Top Gun-Mucke. Danger Sound. Ja, Leute. Wo sind sie jetzt? Vorbereitung für das Ding in Palido.
Nice place you got here.
Oh yeah, it's easy to
Heist
make anything
setup.
cheap and fucking easy. But this here is my place, and my work
Oh, hat er gerade ins
paid
Eck gepisst?
for
Warte
my
mal.
place.
All right, relax. I was just being sarcastic.
Yeah, well, don't be, all right? Because the world doesn't need any more sarcasm. It's the blight of the age.
Yeah, I get the point.
You don't get the point. You're like every other asshole. You made a bit of money, and you became a turd.
Got news for you. I was always a turd.
No! You weren't, man. You were something. But now, man, you're like this place. You're a shell.
Go fuck yourself. Are you some kind of pure morally justifiable asshole? What, because you're totally psychotic, somehow it's okay?
I'm honest, all right? You're the hypocrite.
Oh yeah, you're a fucking hero, so far above it all.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm not above ripping open your fucking chest to see what's replaced your heart.
Rip it open! See what's there, baby, because I'm ready.
Hello? Oh, ladies, what's up?
Fuck off!
Listen,
Eieiei.
I'm sorry, but we've got a problem.
Ich finde krass, wie Michael sich trotzdem gegen Trevor so aufsteht.
Investigate a research.
Weil er weiß, wie crazy er ist.
It's about terrorism, the big one, nerve gas, biological terror.
Thank God I don't pay tax.
Listen, you'll need some fairly standard gear. Boat, tandem rotor heavy lift helicopter, truck, weapons. You'll have to source all of that. Chopper alone will set you back a couple of mil.
Oh, no worries there. Trevor here, he just came into a lot of money.
Is that sarcasm?
Oh, you're fucking A-right at sarcasm. You fuck. A few weeks ago, I was happily retired, sulking by my swimming pool. And my psychotic best friend shows up out of nowhere to torture me over mistakes I made, honest mistakes I made over a decade ago. We, our little posse, are flat fucking broke. But hey, let's go out and spend $2 million on a tandem rotor fucking chopper so I can go steal nerve gas from fucking terrorists. Forgive me, you ignorant fuck. But sarcasm is all I fucking got. Sarcasm! And a room full of you cunts!
Yes! Woo! Welcome back, man. It is the old you.
Yeah, well, we gotta go. It's been great, but Dave here's got a Pilates class. Now remember, ladies, you keep us way out of this thing. Bye-bye.
Uiuiui. Ich hätte nicht gedacht, dass das Verhältnis so schwer wäre zwischen denen jetzt war.
All right, I'll give Lester a fucking call. He said he knew about something.
Now you tell him that we're driving towards Paleto Bay.
Ja, Lester ins Boot holen ist wesentlich richtiger jetzt als sonst. Wir Trevor die letzten Story Meriwether heißt, aufgesetzt hat. Als ich hier in den Story-Modus reingestartet bin, habe ich niemals gedacht, dass es solch eine krassen Differenzen zwischen die Charakteren gibt. Geil. Ich finde es halt geil, weil einfach was los ist, weißt du?
Let me call Lester.
What now?
We got a funding problem, so we need a job. Before the jewel store, you talked about a score, a bank in the sticks. I need you to meet us there. Polito Bay, right?
That's the one. I'll get on a bus.
Lässt er so schnell in, Alter. This is crazy.
Don't start.
I won't. No way. Good call. You're taking down a bank for a few million. First thing you do is call the hospital. Tell them to get you a guy in a wheelchair.
Oh, this hayseed bank, you gonna be carrying that kind of change?
Local law enforcement extort money from all the weed farms, whorehouses, meth kitchens in the area. They keep their cash in safe deposit boxes. Then there's all the normal small-town payroll stuff. We should do well.
You know, I've been thinking about you, Trevor. Your lifestyle.
Oh, have you? Really?
Yes, I have. People always try to label you. You know? Maniac, psycho.
Friend, industry leader.
In some ways you defy categorization. But then,
What?
think about it. Where you live.
Sandy Shores, you precious ass. I'm sorry there ain't a place nearby for you to get your colonics.
Right. But why are you out here?
It's off the grid. We're away from it all. It's somewhere real and authentic. This is America! And real people ain't been priced out yet.
Yeah, well, what if it gets gentrified?
Then I'll fucking move.
Okay. What about the way you dress?
What about it? I don't give a shit what I wear.
No. If you don't give a shit, you wear clean clothes that fit. So yours are all a little out there, you know, a little wacky.
Whatever's in the shop is what I get. Jesus, what is this?
It's not an absence of taste, T. It's the opposite of taste.
You should be a stylist.
And then there's the tattoos, the hair, the weird music, the funny toys, the niche drugs, the everything.
What the fuck are we talking about?
You are a hipster.
What?
You're a hipster.
I hate hipsters.
Classic hipster denial.
I abhor hipsters. I eat them for fun.
Hipsters love saying they hate hipsters.
What I really fucking do?
Self-hatred. It's common hipster affliction.
Well, it'll be because I'm living out here away from the bean machines and the bankers.
You're gentrifying. Soon, the skinny jeans will show up, then the skinny lattes, and then the bankers. And you'll be somewhere else, starting the cycle all over again. Maybe you're not a classic garden variety hipster, but you're what the hipsters aspire to be. You, Trevor, are the proto-hipster.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't agree with what you're saying. You're talking bullshit. And you're trying to wind me up. But I'm very, very angry. And I want this conversation to stop right away.
Hipster.
Fuck you! Fuck you, Michael! Say it again.
I've made my point. I'm not a sadist.
The bus stops up here.
Glaubt ihr, die werden sie zum Schluss noch verdrängen? Wenn die Kacke richtig am Dampfen ist oder so? Wenn die Kacke war schon oft am Dampfen. Aber ganz ehrlich, ich glaube, zum Schluss vom Game muss es so ein Höhepunkt kommen. So, Lester.
Come on, man, knock it off.
Na komm, die sind schon Freunde irgendwo.
I'm gonna break your fucking fingers. You don't knock that shit off.
Well, please, all right? You'd alleviate the boredom.
Ah, finally. Hey.
Hey.
Welcome to paradise. Come on, car's this way.
Dry out here.
Don't worry, brother. Mike will take care of all your moisturizing needs. Shall we?
Might as well get started.
Nice, man. Lester am Start.
I will go to the front of the bank, clock the entrance, If the paperwork's correct, the alarm will be a relic. We should be in and out before the local PD knows what's happening.
Okay. Ja, mit Lästern Seiten fühle ich mich schon wesentlich sicherer. Sage dir, was ist.
That's the entrance to the bank. Nothing special. Take us around back.
Okay.
Ach, das Grundstück nebenan. Ach
There's an
so.
empty lot behind. No one should pay attention to us back there.
I like it. Man, the place is remote. It's got the right amount of foot traffic. This'll do.
Let's check out the alarm to be sure. It's not ideal. It's gonna cost more to break that system than the score's gonna pay.
We're gonna have to find a new score.
No. This is the score. What are our options?
It's a dumb idea, but we could trigger the alarm. See what kind of response they throw out.
That is a dumb idea.
Hey,
Oh.
you heard the man, all right? Shoot the sucker.
Was ist denn das Alarmding? Ist er? Ja.
Get back in the car.
Jojo. Schnell zur Tanke rüber.
Toledo Bay Security Services frequency. We have a code 30 Adam. Alarm going off at Lane County Savings Bank. All cars in the area, please respond.
Ja, wir tanken hier nur.
6, 9, and 1 will be there in 50 seconds. Roger that. 4 units. Backup team at station is available.
They've dispatched 4 cars in 60 seconds and more on standby. And it isn't even 30 Victor shots fired. Oh, this is a real headache.
Mhm.
What do you got on the clock?
40 seconds.
This is Toledo Security. Any updates on the code 30 Adam? Backup ready to mobilize.
This is not normal. The response is out of proportion.
Cops in this county are dirty. The alarm just went off on their piggy bank.
Das dauert echt ganz schön lang.
This is them. What is that, a 67-second response time?
4 cars. More in the wings.
Bad cops, guarding dirty money. Fuck how many? We can take this.
Wait right here. We'll see if anything about their routine suggests a weakness.
Das war crazy Move eigentlich, das alles so zu beobachten.
We have a code 12. False alarm. Possibly triggered intentionally. Roger that. We're gonna set up checkpoints on the Great Ocean Highway and the Sonora Freeway. Car-to-car searches and record checks.
Checkpoints? Searches? Fuck this! I ain't getting caught because Lester needs a wheelchair.
Hey! Wheelchair or not, we're still faster than your ass.
I'm not gonna outrun a cop. We've gotta go.
We're going.
Sollen wir uns verpissen oder was? Mach ein Rennen mit Michael zu Travers Büro. Echt jetzt? Haben wir von real zu rennen? Oh, erstmal Tennis Court, ey, oder? Vom Travers Büro. Was ist denn Travers Büro? Ist das das Meth Lab? Oh, echt? Fahren wir so? Dann haben wir gute Chancen in diesem Rennen. Okay, ein bisschen aufpassen. Ja, moin. Yeah, das ist tatsächlich das Büro für Trevor. Ey.
Jesus, what took you so long?
Had to let you win.
No, gehen wir mal in die Planung, oder?
Set up a board over here.
Michael, man, your blood sugars are low. I'm making
Klassische Tafel.
I'm fine, T.
Huh? No, I'm the host, man. You know, I don't want you to get hungry and moody, all right? Then you're gonna be making the wrong decisions.
Man, I've been making wrong decisions my whole life. That's how I ended up here.
Yo, bon appetito.
Jesus Christ, Trevor, what is that?
What's wrong with you? That's just a what? An eyelid. That's probably not even human. Unless that gas station job.
Gentlemen, some plans for
Oh,
your
fuck.
Good. I'm gonna stay here a minute.
Okay, ab jetzt ist Trevor wirklich... Ah!
So I think our little
Völlig
experiment
unten durch,
showed that
Alter,
the
was die
response
so geht.
was too
Komm.
quick to beat and too strong to walk through. That means you gotta face the cops head on.
Dirty cops.
The dirty cops head on.
Head on. Man, I don't know.
You'll be prepared. Convoys carrying military-grade hardware pass near here to get to Fort Zancudo. I propose hijacking one and using the equipment to get an edge on the locals. I can get you the exact details of the shipment as soon as we're done here. Anyway, you won't be outside the bank too long. Paleto Bay is, well, it's a bay, so you're a street away from the water where Franklin can be waiting in a boat to get you out of there. I know none of this is ideal, but it's the only way I can see of taking the score and providing for your FIB paymasters.
Fine. We need personnel?
Just a gunman. They'll be taking on the cops with you, so my advice, choose someone good.
Nur an Schützen. Okay, wir haben die Möglichkeit 14, 6, 12, 12. Ja, wisst ihr, ich möchte halt irgendwie schon so das Maximum rausholen. Deswegen kommt der 6%ige zum Einsatz.
I'm not hearing great things, to be honest, but you just might be able to do this with him. This really the guy you want?
Ja, hilft ja nichts, oder? Ja, ich hoffe, ich mache damit nichts falsch. Andererseits, ich hätte ja gerne den Chefkoch dabei gehabt, aber, oh, mein Gott. Militärische Ausrüstung benötigt, ja, ja. Crew auswählen, ja, bestätigt mal, oder?
That should do.
I'll get the equipment together. Michael, you reach out to Franklin. Trevor, you do what you do.
Roger that.
I'll call you when we're ready to move on this.
You want to bunk with us? I mean, it's gonna be tight, but, you know, mi casa, su casa.
I'll get a motel, thanks.
All right, suit yourself.
Fine, I'll give you a ride.
Adios, amigos.
Ja, so sind alle benannt. Ich sag schon nichts dazu. Oh, Franklin ruft da.
Franklin, buddy, what's up?
What's up?
Redneck dude's been looking for you, homie. Some angry motherfuckers. I found where they stay, man, and I've been following.
Ah,
Hey, well, it's gotta be the O'Neill brothers. What's left of them?
die
I'll pick up
O'Neills
Michael and
waren's.
we'll come to you.
T, hey, man.
Was war dieses T, hey man zum Schluss? Verwirrend. Ja, okay, dann mucken die O'Neills anscheinend nur mal. Lässt die Vorbereitungen fertig gemacht, da, so. Ich habe alle Vorbereitungen für den Paleto Coup getroffen. Uns fehlt nur noch die Militärausrüstung, also schnappt euch den Konvoi, sobald es geht. Alles klar. Und wo ist der? So, Militärausrüstung. Na, hab ich Bock drauf. Wir holen uns die Militärausrüstung jetzt noch. So, wir sind da. Die Ausrüstung darf nicht zerstört werden. Naja, ich sag mal so, Militärkonvoi jetzt zum Zerlegen. Vielleicht nicht die geilste Art, aber ich habe eine Idee. Das ist meine Idee. Das wirkt wie eine gute Idee, oder? Was sagt ihr? Wir lernen dazu. Stealth. Aus dem Schatten agieren. Und den Rest... Den Rest dann mit Karacho erledigen. Ich finde geil, dass da noch kein Notruf abgesetzt worden ist. Da bin ich tatsächlich nur gern wieder voll heilen. So, der heißt jetzt gleich triggern. Aber im Meth Lab gibt es ja sowieso ein Medipack. Jupp, der Spaß ist abgeben.
Lester the Molester, bro.
Deswegen,
We got
okay.
ourselves some military hardware. It's parked out back in my office.
Okay, Trevor, I'll let you know when the score is happening.
Keep me in the loop, bud.
Warum hat Lester gerade so komisch reagiert? Medipack. Möchte er eventuell Trevor gar nicht dabei haben? Und Ausdauer gemaxt. Hell yeah. Beim nächsten Mal gibt es dann das Ding in Paleto Bay. Ey, macht's mir keinen Stress hier, Mann. Die nächste Folge findet ihr dann in der Endcard, sobald sie online ist. Bewertung nicht vergessen. Und bis zum nächsten Mal.